Hello everyone, Sir Squiggles here, and that's the 4th time that I've done this intro. Welcome back to Python Programming with Sir Squiggles. So, today I have a goal in mind, and today we are going to have a working opening application program, and I was looking over the last video, and it was kind of terrible. Well, not like it wasn't my best work, and it was definitely pretty long. So I'm gonna try to keep everything really short and concise and very, very within a timely manner, without any added explanations or descriptions of things at all, because that just takes so much time out of the video, and it's really unnecessary to do. So we're gonna start programming. All we really need to do for our all we really need to do in order to make the app open up, or the program create a graphics screen, is we have to follow this over here on starvation. We have to follow this pretty much exactly the way it's written. So yeah. Is going to be 400 by 400, but no, it's going to be 400 by 600, I think. We're going to try that first, and then app.main loop. So now if we run the program, it should run this code and do these things. So we're going to test that theory right now. And it did. It did some of that. So now what we need to do in order to make it run this stuff is self.pack and self.gui. And now it should do everything I want it to. So basically this here doesn't exist, so we need to create that as a function, which isn't gonna be difficult. Define step self, and then just, I don't know, print, or we can announce something. Boop. That's boob. No, I meant boop. Don't judge me. That's not. Nope. That didn't happen. And yeah, it is. Oh, maybe I have to do self dot. Boop. See? Okay, so this is the thing. This is everything. This is pretty much what it's gonna look like. This is what it's gonna end up looking like. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this, because this doesn't make any sense. This literally does nothing for us and should be hated. And this is gonna go after this. So that there's a reason. That line that appeared was because the pen up came after all the other stuff. Because that makes it so that the turtle doesn't draw lines. So we're gonna call this one Take a Step. And I actually created a background image, so we're gonna call this one scenery.gif. But only now do I remember that I'm supposed to make it a .gif. So let me go in here to where I have all this crap, and yeah, okay, so give me a second. I'm gonna change the file type of that real quick. Alright, so I changed the file type, and now it should load that. So now we just need to run it, and see, bam, boop, and it's perfect, except that's not perfect. But look at that. Isn't that a lovely scenery? That's a little weird. But, you know, can't be helped. I need to create a quit button, and
self.quit equals button self-text equals quit. I just put an X, honestly. Command equals, I think it's root dot destroy. Somewhere up here. Root dot destroy, yeah. Root dot destroy. Okay. And then I need to do, not that, because that doesn't help anything.
self.quit.pack seed side equals left. And I'm gonna put this one left so that it's not like in the way of everything else. Bam. And now we've got a little X over here to the left, and I can click that and it exits out the program. And if I press the button, then it goes boop. It doesn't do anything else, but that's okay, because I'm going to use a really simple piece of code to program in what the randomization is going to be.
So, we're going to change around the step, and how we're going to do that is, scene, we're going to go current scene, is equal to random dot rand range, 0 length of self dot scenes. And what that means is we're going to make a random number from 0 to the length of the list of scenes. And now, if we do no, or self dot, no, whoa, okay, self dot scenes, current scene.
I think statements like this are probably my favorite part of programming in general, because it's like you're taking a function and putting inside that function a specific value from a list that is based on another variable. But it just looks so weird and convoluted and amazing. I don't know, I like it. I like it a lot. And that should literally be it. That should be everything that we need to do. That's done. So what we're going to do up here is, master, and then Oh, that's the wrong one. Scenes equals that. And what we can do here is we can be like, okay, you tripped on a rock. Okay? Or you found a dollar bill lying on the road. Just little things like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the rest of these out, and then when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna like look, because I'm not entirely sure. It should look perfectly. It should look the same, but I don't know. All right, so I have all of the scenes, and this really should be the thing. I'm gonna change this to right though. And then Control S, F5, and take a step. I found a dollar bill lying on the road. Tripped on a rock. Caught an unknown disease. Rustling in the bushes. There's another one. I was hit by a car. So that is the idea that we're trying to do. For all intents and purposes, this is done, but it really isn't, because it's not very entertaining. I mean, it's got a background, and it's got, you know, a thing, and it's got buttons, and you click them, and it says random stuff, but not only is there not a lot of options for the randomness, but that's just because I'm lazy, you can't do anything in any of the scenes, so it feels kind of, cheap. It feels kind of, you know, stupid. And I'm gonna up the font just a little bit, so that it's a little bit larger. Damn mosquitoes. And, yeah. So it definitely still has a lot of work, to be done to it, but we've got the basis of it down. It's good. Alright, so let me check and see something. Let me check something real quick, and then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to keep with this video, but I'm pretty sure we're done for now. Yeah. Alright, well, I think we made some progress. I don't want this video to be too long, so yeah. I'm gonna end this video here. You'll see me in the next one, and remember, don't be default.